The CodeCheck Pro is supplied in a sturdy carry case with the following accessories: PP3 battery, operating manual, CO guide charts, 6 safe breath filtered mouthpieces, reducing connector for calibration. Remove the protective cap from the battery. Turn the unit over and slide off the battery cover. Connect the battery to the battery clip in the compartment and set the battery into the compartment. Replace the battery cover. The unit is now ready to use. The battery will provide approximately 30 hours of continuous use. Take a new Safe Breath mouthpiece and place it into the mouthpiece aperture on the front of the CodeCheck device. Safe Breath mouthpieces have a proven bacterial and viral efficiency greater than 99% and protect both your patient and the CodeCheck Pro. Infection prevention is paramount and no other CO testing mouthpiece can currently offer this level of protection against both viruses and bacteria. To turn the unit on, press the right-hand key of the keypad membrane. The display will immediately display the device name and software version number, and the display will change to the countdown time and will start counting from the specified breath hold time. Immediately, the countdown timer is displayed. The patient should take a deep inhalation and hold their breath for as long as possible, and ideally until the blow icon is displayed. The patient should place the Safe Breath mouthpiece into their mouth and exhale at a sustained and comfortable speed until no further air can be exhaled. As results are recorded on the unit, the display will show the value of the exhaled CO on the breath in parts per million and provide a traffic light indicator, green, orange, red, dependent on the amount of carbon monoxide measured on the exhaled breath. To view the percentage carboxyhemoglobin level, simply depress the function key, which is the left side key of the keypad, and the percentage CO/HB will be displayed. To go back to the display the parts per million value, simply press the function key again. Simply hold function key down for 2 seconds and the breath hold countdown timer will start again. Remove the used Safe Breath mouthpiece and dispose of in the waste bin. External surfaces of the CodeCheck Pro should be wiped with a non-alcohol based bacterial or viral wipe. The device can now be stored back in its carry case for future testing. Or alternatively, if a new patient is to be tested immediately, place a new Safe Breath mouthpiece into the front aperture for the new patient to perform their test.